Hello, Gales fans. I'm Kyle Campo.
And I'm Paul Best, and welcome to the Gales Weekly Highlight Show brought to you by Queens TV. The number 4 Gales women's hockey team dropped their CIS top 10 matchup against number 7 Guelph on Friday 3-1. Queens was able to bounce back on Saturday night as they defeated Brock 4-3 in a shootout that was finished off by a nice deke from Fiona Lester. The men's hockey team visited the number 8 McGill Redmond in their lone game of the weekend, but fell behind early and lost 4-1. Brett Foy picked up the only goal for the Gales.
The Queens men's volleyball team took a pair of straight sets victories this weekend to improve to 11-5 on the season. First, it was Mike Tomlinson and Aaron Nussbaum who teamed up to take down the Toronto Varsity Blues on Saturday afternoon, and then Phil Goyer and Tomlinson led the Gales to a huge upset win over the 9th-ranked Ryerson Rams. The women's volleyball team split their home weekend games, and they fell to number 4 Toronto in straight sets Saturday, and then beat the Ryerson Rams 3-0 on Sunday. Queens was dominant in their win over Ryerson and held the Rams to only 8 points in the opening set, which is their lowest set total to date this season.
On the hard court, it was the women's basketball extending their winning streak to 6 games, picking up a thrilling 79-77 overtime win over Toronto on Friday night. Emily Haslett led the Gales with 20 points in the win, while Abby Dixon scored all 15 of her points in the second half of the game. The Gales got off to a slow start Saturday night against the number 8 Ryerson, and it was too late by the end as they lost 79-71. On the men's side, the Gales took down Toronto on Friday on the back of Tanner Graham's 24-point night. Queens was undone on Saturday, though, losing 90-65 to a tough Rams team that is ranked number 3 in the country.
This week's Athletes of the Week are Abby Dixon of women's basketball and Mike Tomlinson of men's volleyball. They are this week's Queens Athletes of the Week. Dixon scored all 15 of her points in the Gales' second-half overtime comeback victory over the Toronto Varsity Blues, while Mike Tomlinson led the Gales in points in both of their straight sets victories against Toronto and Ryerson. For QTV and this week's Queens Update, I'm Kyle Campo.
And I'm Paul Best. Have a great week.